Hi everyone, it's Pam with Organizer Easy 911 here with an organizing quick tip. And the topic I want to talk about in this quick tip is about a fast and easy storage solution. Now oftentimes we don't have a lot of extra storage available in our homes, but one really fast and easy way you can maximize storage in your home is by taking things out of their packages when you get home. Now let's face it, these packages are designed to hang on things. Our homes are not set up like that. We often put these items in drawers or cabinets. So what makes them visually appealing at the store isn't really the optimal solution for us to store it in our homes. So by simply taking them out of the package, you will use up less space in your drawers and cabinets. These batteries, this whole part here designed to hang it, is what uses up too much space in our cabinets. You can do one of two things. You can just simply slice off the top part of this packaging and that way it'll hold the batteries in place. But the problem is once you start using batteries, this becomes really messy and again, it's wasting space. And I got this little battery container from the Container Store and I can fit all of these batteries in 1.5 containers like this. And they are fabulous because they stack. Again, it's better storage solution and it'll save you space in the long run. With the command hooks here, just popping the cardboard off of the backing will give you more space, and it also provides its own little storage container that you can put in the drawer. These are easier to store, you can stack them, and you will have a much smaller container in your drawer. It'll also leave it more organized. And they take up less room than the bulky packages. Another way you can save space with storage is by taking things like cereal out of their boxes when you get them and store them in these airtight containers. You can get these at Walmart. OXO sells them as well. They're less expensive at Walmart, but again, it's what you prefer. Now, here's where they save space. Now, these are about the same height, but you can see it's a little different width, okay? This is a lot deeper. All right, now the trick of this is though, if you take the bag out of the box, you will see that the box is so wasted because this is all the product they have in there. Look at that. Okay, so when you're storing a big box like this, it's wasting space in your cabinets. Okay, and so I just simply swap it out and put it into this container. And you will see that even in this container, I still have more room. So it really can fit like 1 1/3 of these boxes in here, all right? Now, if you don't have these containers, I would even suggest just simply getting it out of these boxes, okay? It's wasting a lot of space, and you can just keep it in the bag with a little binder clip to seal it up to keep it fresh, okay? So the next time you come home from shopping, get rid of all that extra packaging. It will increase your storage availability in your home. Okay, I hope this tip helped. If it did, please give it a big old thumbs up, poke that like button below, and if you're new to my channel, welcome, and please hit that subscribe button as well so you can be part of our organizing family. And if you want even more organizing tips and suggestions, just bip over to my Facebook page, my Twitter page, my Instagram, or Pinterest. All the links to those pages are found below. I'm Pam with Organizer Easy 911. Thanks for watching.